Hello again. My name is Araceli Leon, and I'm excited to get to read with you. Today we will be reading Who Does What by Stephanie Babin, illustrated by Ilaria Fularsi. We're going to be uncovering pictures together. Are you ready? Hmm. Help me as we figure out the different jobs they do. I beat out a rhythm with my sticks. I blow across the mouthpiece to create beautiful music. I strum or pluck several strings at once. I pull my bow across the strings. With both hands, I press the black and white keys. This is at the concert. Now let's see. If you play violin, you're a violinist. If you play the drum set, you're a drummer. If you play the flute, you're a flautist. If you play the guitar, what do you think it is? Let's check. Guitar player. If you play the piano, you're a pianist. And if you play the trumpet, what would you be? Can you draw a picture and tell me? In the studio, using gems and expensive metals, I make fancy objects that people wear in their clothes. Tap, 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 I create a masterpiece out of stone. I design and make all kinds of clothes that everyone can wear and enjoy. I write exciting stories about real and imaginary people in far-away lands. I bring stories to life with my drawings. And I use my brushes. I can create beautiful art. Now let's see what they do. A canvas for a painter. A ring for a jeweler. A book for a writer. A sculpture for a sculptor. Illustration for an illustrator. And a dress. Who do you think that could be? Can you draw and tell me? In the city. I am the first to arrive whenever there's an accident or a fire. I repair all kinds of shoes in my workshop. In my store, I sell many things that people eat or use. I help people see better. At my cart, you can get a cold, sweet dessert on a cone or in a cup. People visit me when they need medicine to feel better. Let's see what jobs they do. Shoes for a cobbler. Medicine for a pharmacist. Fire truck? Who do you think that's for? A firefighter. Canned food for a grocer. Ice cream cone for an ice cream vendor. Glasses? I wonder who that's for. Can you draw a picture and tell me? At the market. I knead the dough before baking it in the oven. I make desserts often with fruit or chocolate. At my stand, you will find flowers of every color. I cut up and sell what was caught in the sea. I sell all kinds of meat like beef, pork, and chicken. I make food from meat that can be put in sandwiches or on pizza. Yum. Let's see. Ooh, the steak is for the butcher. Bread is a baker. Fish, a fishmonger. Sausages for a sausage maker. Cake, for the pastry chef. And a bouquet. Can you guess who uses the bouquet? Can you draw a picture and share with me? On the farm. My dog helps me gather the flock. With my tools, I repair vehicles used on the farm. I grow plants to eat. I help animals who are sick or hurt. I make tasty food from fresh milk. I collect what the bees make in their hives. Honey, beekeeper. Vegetables, vegetable farmer. Sheep, a shepherd. Cheese, a cheesemaker. Tractor, a mechanic. Medical kick. Can you help me? Can you draw a picture and share with me who you think uses the medical kit? At the school. I provide information and help students learn new ideas. I help students with research and find great books for them to read. Children come to me if they don't feel well. I make and serve food in the cafeteria for the children. I make a delivery at the school every day. Click, I take pictures of the students once or twice a year. Let's see. Board, teacher, just like me. Books, librarian. Photo, photographer. Lunch, cook. Bandages, a nurse. Letters, I'm going to let you guess. Can you draw a picture of what you think that'll be? Okay. Wow, I love this book. We learned a lot about who does what. I asked you some questions, and I'd love to see your work. I hope that you can answer some of my questions and share it with us. Have a great day today, y'all.